Hello and welcome back to our next video and lecture from our course 5 ways to start an online home-based business right now in 2018. Now previously we have spoken about 3 different business models, and those are affiliate marketing with video reviews, then physical products drop shipping and arbitrage, and then digital products and services arbitrage, or somehow of drop shipping, but let's say it's arbitrage. Okay, now the fourth business model, which is actually pretty cool and can give you, let's say, a new passive income stream, which is basically the ideal for anyone who is starting an online business to have a passive income stream, is publishing and selling ebooks, especially on the largest marketplace in the world for ebooks, which is Kindle, from Amazon. Actually, for those of you who don't know Amazon, that's how they started. They started by selling books online, then they went into ebooks and then into FBA and other programs, right? So publishing and selling on Kindle different types of ebooks, especially in the hot niches, can be very profitable. There are people out there who are making multiple 4 and 5 figures per month just by doing this and by doing nothing else. So that's purely passive income, because once you have published the books and ranked them, they start to sell and you don't have to do anything else. Okay, you just need to push a little bit in the beginning and then you're set. So let's dive into the information and see which is the exact process of this business model. Okay, so first of all, you have to create an account on kdp.amazon.com. that it's the Kindle publishing platform, and I will show you how it looks like in the next video. Do your research to find the hot selling niches for Kindle. Look for sales volume, rank momentum, price, competition, and effort. That means the number of pages, okay, in a specific niche or on a specific topic. Choose a topic you can write an ebook on, or choose a topic for which you can outsource the writing of the ebook. So if you don't want to do the ebook writing yourself, you can find people who can do the ebook writing for you, and for, let's say, a fair amount of money, they will write the ebook for you, and actually in a very professional way, because most of the time these are professional copywriters. Okay, so they would know how to write much better than you or me or anyone else. Okay, but you can do the writing yourself. Then what you can do is you can hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork or any other major freelancing websites for these tasks, okay, to write for you the ebook, and then you just have to launch the ebook. It's pretty simple, right? So the next phase, it's launching the ebook. After you create the ebook by yourself or outsourced, as we have discussed, you have to list it in your Kindle account. So you go into your Kindle account, you upload the ebook there, the covers and everything, and it's ready to launch. Okay, be sure to have an attractive cover, and that the formatting, it should be in pub format, the ebook, so not PDF, not Word, not anything like that, but in pub format. So be sure that the formatting is done right for the ebook. Be sure that it looks okay, so that people have no surprises and you won't get any complaints that the formatting is wrong or it cannot be read or anything like that. Okay, then what you need to do is launch the ebook and make it free for 5 days. Okay, you have free campaigns from 3 to 3 months on Kindle. Okay, you cannot create free campaigns for your ebooks at any time you want. Okay, but from 3 to 3 months you have 5 days of free campaign or of discounts. Okay, and my suggestion would be to give away the ebook for free, so that you can get a lot of people enrolled and you can get reviews. Okay, choose an average or below average price for the ebook after that. Okay, so don't try to go too high with the price, because your sales will go down. Try to go at the average of the market or below the average. Okay, get reviews, at least 10 reviews when you launch the ebook. It depends on the niche, also how competitive it is. You can do that from Facebook groups where people are exchanging reviews. You can ask friends or family, okay, to buy the ebook and leave your review, or I don't know, you find a solution for that. But these are my suggestions. This is what I've personally tested. Okay, so these are pretty much the steps. It's rather easy, but do not look at this business model as something very fast to make money, because probably you will not make a fortune with your first ebook. Okay, basically every ebook that you launch can make you somewhere between $40 and $100 per month. Okay, so you need to launch like around 50 ebooks or even more, okay, to have a decent passive income. But this is completely passive, and that's the cool part, of around, let's say, $2,000 per month, which is actually pretty great, right? So it's not too hard. Okay, 50 I think to launch 50 ebooks which are outsourced would cost you somewhere around $3,000, but you recover that money if you do the right steps in about 3 months. So that should be a very, very good investment, right? If you don't want to write them on your own, because you can do that as well. Okay, so this is what's all about. In the next video I will show you some examples of how this works and which are the steps that you need to follow. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video.